Hello again, and in this video again I'm going to talk about how to plan the expressions or collocation um, while the time of planning it, right? So the question you have already seen this because I have already planned these questions in earlier videos, but still I'm going to read it. Some parents buy their children a large number of toys to play. What are the advantages and disadvantages for the child of having a large number of toys? Give reasons for your answer and include any. So the same question. The first thing, underlining the key expression. So that's the first idea. You already know that. So I have underlined the key expressions which can be used or which can help us um, collecting vocabulary, right? So parents buy their children. The parents, I think it has to be used by a lot, children. Large number of toys that has to be used. Advantages, disadvantages. So let's see, start planning. At first, here you can see instead of multitude of playthings, instead of large number of multitude of playthings. Offspring instead of children. Interesting thing, now it's coming to my mind when you talk about large number of toys. Interesting thing, multiple toys. So multitude toy playthings you have to write many times. So instead of advantages, benefits, and disadvantages, drawbacks. Also downside, when you talk about the negative, disadvantage. Hidden pitfalls, again instead of disadvantage. Tempting objects, perhaps we are talking about the toys, so it's come to our mind when you're writing it. More possession, again this toys. Majority of toys, so this is the third expression because you need to write many toys many times, right? Infants, again for child, and youngsters. I don't know, I'm not sure. Many people say youngsters. Many experts believe youngsters is um, informal words. So if you find that, if you consider that, don't use it, right? Sorry. And then the collocation. And let me again tell you, let me repeat this again. Choice of collocation can be done when you begin to think about your ideas, supporting ideas and examples because you get the context. Once you know that, okay, this is what I'm going to write in the first idea, and then perhaps such words come to your mind, the combination of words. So let's see if you can recall the ideas, the life skill and all organizational skills and all those. Like, so phenomenon of devoted parenting, stimulate many positives, optimum brain development, hand-eye coordination. It comes to your mind when you're talking about what exactly happens, what are the positives. Color recognition, what are the positives. Joy of playing, accelerate the acquisition of, acquiring some skill, so it speed up, right? Detrimental to a child, that's a negative part when it comes. Detrimental to a child, showering with toys. So we're writing in the negative part, is right? Concentration span, that spoils. We have already planned that. Target of envy, we have planned in that part. To suck or ingest. Suck means, sorry, no, it's not stuck. To suck. I hope you know the meaning when you are taking something in your mouth and you start um, sucking it. Yeah, I mean taking it in through airs. That's known as sucking. Or ingesting means you are simply eating it, right? So that way, because we don't eat toys, so ingesting is the word which has been used. So I hope you have again understood with the second topic that now let me tell you, it's not easy as easy it sounds. So you must have that treasure in your mind to use it at the right time. If you don't have this in your mind, it will not come to your mind. So how do you prepare for the collocation part? I'll send you the list of collocation, the most popular collocation that I have made. I'll send you the PDF format of that collocation. If you have already purchased my book on Amazon, the IELTS Super Success, you can gain access to those collocation lists and synonyms and antonyms list from there as well. They're useful. So that will help you perhaps collect some collocation related to the topic in your mind, right? So that's all about this video. I'll come up with the third video with how to plan the expression vocabulary or collocation, right? That's all. Thank you very much for watching it.